Public forms can be used to collect data submitted by anonymous users. You can share public forms with others via links, embedded code, or email. Public forms are useful for a variety of scenarios, including conducting online surveys, receiving customer feedback, registering for events, submitting job applications, and pursuing business partnerships. Yeeflow's data list component allows users to easily create and manage public forms. Let's take a look at how to create a public form. First, open the Projects of Excellence application, click on the plus button in the top navigation bar to add a new component. In the New Component window, click on Data List and set the name to Job Application. Next, open the drop-down option for the title field, click on Edit Field. Change the default title field name to First Name and set the required as Yes. Click on the Save button. Then add the following new fields by clicking New Column button. In the New Field window, select the text box for the field type. Set the display name to Last Name, set it as required, and click Save button. Next, add a text box field, set the field name to Email, and set it as required. Then add a radio button field with the name Position and set it as required. Then added below are 5 options for Principal Project Management, Senior Project Manager, Project Engineer, Business Systems Analyst, and Technical Manager. Finally, we add an attachment field with the name Resume. Set it as required and upload multiple buttons. These complete the creation of all the fields. Click the More Options button from the top right of the Data List navigation bar. Then click List Settings from the drop-down menu list. In the pop-up List Settings window, click on Public Forms. On the Public Form Settings screen, click the New Form button to create a new public form with the form name set to Application Form. In the Form Designer, click the plus button on the top left of the designer, then click the Page tab. Under the Page tab, click the Fill button of the background type and set the background color in the color options. Click on the Content Area column, set the content width to full width, and set the padding to 0px. Then from the Appearance column, set the default title field alignment as vertical. Next, click the plus button in the top left corner and drag a section control underneath the previous control. From the layout settings, set the content width to fixed and the width value as 1000px. Then go to the Advanced tab, change the margin top as -80px. Next, drag a new section into the above section. Click on Layout Settings and under the Layout column, set the content width to fixed with the parameter set to 800px and set the height to minimum height with the parameter set to 200px. Set vertical alignment to center. Then go to the Style tab and select Fill for the background type and set the color to white. Click the Advanced tab, set the padding to 40px. Click on the plus button to open the Add Controls panel. Drag the title control into the section control, and click on Content Settings. Set the text as Application Form and change the size to large. Then, drag another title control below the previous title control with the text as "Thank you for your interest in joining our team. We look forward to hearing from you." The size is set to small. Let's add another section control below the title section. The content width is set to fixed with a parameter of 800px. Click on Style Settings, and the background color is set to white. From the Advanced tab, set the margin top as 20px and margin bottom as 40px. Set the padding to 40px. Next, click the plus button to open the Add Control panel. Drag the grid control to the previous section control. Click Content Settings under the Appearance column and click the right plus button to add the grid to 2 columns. And turn off the Display Caption option. Then drag and drop the Submit button at the bottom into the section control. Click on the Submit button at the top right of the designer to save your changes. Finally, click on the Preview button at the bottom left of the designer to view the layouts so far. In the next section, we will complete the creation of a public form and explain how to share it. Thank you for watching.